These are the top 5 moments when nature reminded humans who's in charge. And number 1 is pure chaos. Stay until the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 5, Mount Vesuvius Eruption, 79 AD. Ash and lava buried Pompeii and Herculaneum, freezing cities in time. Number 4, Hurricane Katrina, 2005. One of the deadliest hurricanes in US history, flooding New Orleans. Number 3, Australian Bushfires, 2019 to 2020. Wildfires consumed millions of acres, creating rivers of fire. Number 2, Krakatoa Eruption, 1883. Explosions heard thousands of miles away triggered tsunamis. Brace yourself. The ultimate force is next. Number 1, 2004 Indian Ocean Mega Tsunami. A magnitude 9.1 earthquake triggered waves over 100 feet high, killing over 230,000 across 14 countries. This is Orbit Viral, where reality hits differently.